Removing a GPU adapter. Note, the GPU configuration shown in this video includes a GPU air baffle. The same removal procedure can be used for other GPU configurations. Remove the top cover. Remove the GPU power cable from the GPU adapter. Open the blue latch on the GPU air baffle. Unfasten the screw that secures the riser assembly. Slightly lift the riser assembly and disconnect the riser card cables from the processor board. Then, lift the riser assembly out of the chassis. Press the retainer clip downward. Open the retention latch. Hold the edges of the GPU adapter and carefully pull it out of the PCIe slot.